play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos. Just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. The pop-up shop is going pretty well here at McGuire Air Force Base. These are some great gifts for fathers that are doing a great job for you. The 3 books and the gift set, or the actual clothing, are great gifts for that special dad or that great father that you have in your life. So go ahead on, and if you're in the McGuire area, come on by and pick it up and be able to take it to your dad and show him that you care about him and that you love him. Great gifts. Okay, we're on day 2 of the Father's Day setup for More Than a Man clothing line products and books. This here is the gift box, 3 books, short set, bracelet, and then here are the 3 books, which is a good gift set in itself. 3 books that every man should have for his journey through life. Some of the caps for the outfit, the hats, bracelet setup. And this is the front view of the setup. Other side. And everything else. Morning. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Come on out and grab a great gift for your father or your dad that you love and care about. Show him some appreciation and buy him these gifts that I know he will love and wear, representing who he is as a father or a dad. So this is one of the things that you'll be able to give for him that is unique, and it's only for him. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.